Edusoft Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to print a message on the LCD module. For this experiment, we will require an Arduino UNO, an LCD, a potentiometer, a resistor, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. This is the circuit diagram of the experiment. So, let's start building. Place an LCD and a potentiometer on the breadboard. Use jumper wires to connect the LCD to the Arduino. Connect the GND pin to the negative power rail of the breadboard. VDD pin to the positive power rail. VO pin to the potentiometer. Connect the other two terminals of the potentiometer to positive and negative power rail. Connect the RS pin to the digital pin 12 on the Arduino. RW pin to the negative power rail. E pin to the digital pin 11. D4 to the digital pin 5. D5 to pin 4. D6 to pin 3. And D7 to pin 2. Now supply power to breadboard by connecting its power rail to the Arduino's 5 volts and ground pins. Connect one end of the resistor to the lead anode and use jumper wire to connect the other end to the positive power rail. Connect the lead cathode to the negative power rail. Connect the Arduino to the computer using the USB cable to upload the code. This is the program code we are going to upload to the Arduino. This program will allow us to print a message with LCD module. You can download this code from the video description or visit our official website for more technical support. Click on Upload to upload the code to the Arduino. The output shall look like this.